Girl!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's up, Dolla Gang? This is Miss Dolla. Yes. And everybody else is up there somewhere running around. But we are going to do this tasting challenge or whatever you want to call it. So what I have here is some chicken and buffalo milk. But yeah, what I'm gonna do is put these in a bowl. It's gonna be a different color bowl. One gonna have the chicken dip in it, the other one is gonna have the rotel dip in it. So I'm gonna let Yasmin and her dad do the little mix up or whatever, the mixeroo. And whoever gets what, gonna have to taste it for y'all. So y'all ready to see how that goes? I am too. Let's get to it. Nobody knows what's in here but me. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix them up. They don't know what's what. Yasmin don't even know what's what, and she's holding the camera. And I got some of Brianna's famous Kool-Aid. Sorry. Yeah, so both of them got the Kool-Aid. They got the dip in the chip. We got Doritos. These Doritos gonna be so bussin' with all both of them. I'm just waiting to see it. So. Mix it up, y'all got y'all drinks. So come on, let's go ahead. Buffalo dip in one, and we also had a rotel dip. They have a dash of Brianna's famous Kool-Aid, and that picture right there. She did make that, and it looked oh so delicious, and it is so delicious. He's over here eating Doritos. What's up? Tell me your name.
You want my stage name? You want my real name?
Oh God. Anyway, YouTube, what's up? We have this other lady over here telling your name.
Yasmin.
Tell them where they can find you at.
Yasmin Nation.
Where can they find you at, buddy? Eating the Doritos.
Dolla, this a hit. Dolla 1 on Instagram. Dolla, this a hit on Instagram. Dolla, this a hit on everything.
All right. So we do have these ladies right here in the back looking crazy right there, and that one right there too. He gonna eat all the chips. Thanks. Anyway, y'all can go ahead and shuffle them around if y'all want to. Don't look at them. Which one? You want that one? He want that one? He gonna drink all the Kool-Aid, and they ain't gonna know what it tastes like. He said he want that one.
I want this.
You want that one?
No, I want this one.
Why you want that one?
'Cause I like it. I want it.
I'm gonna just take both.
No. I just want that one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Now what we doing?
Y'all want that? No.
Okay.
You sure? Last chance. Rock, paper, shoot for that one?
Would you want this one?
Would you want this one?
That ain't even nothing. That ain't even nothing. What is that?
That's just the paper.
That ain't nothing.
That was good. I shot the paper. I won.
Okay, you can keep it.
No, let's do it one more time. All right, ready?
Who won? So he gonna keep it? All right. So, y'all ready to open it up? All right, go ahead. So what you got?
Oh.
I got
I got some. I don't know.
Let me see. What it is?
This buffalo chicken.
Oh, what you got? Hotel.
I'm trying to get in there where it's at. Listen, now. We don't know about them.
You stole her.
Which one tastes better? Oh,
Yeah, you still hers.
she still is too. They can't even talk right now. I'm waiting to hear somebody talk. They can't even talk. Can somebody say something?
Here's better.
Here's better.
Yeah, get hers. Yep.
Somebody mouth hot. Who mouth burn? Your daddy ain't stopped yet.
It's both of them good. I don't know what you want to say.
She's like, she want to get some more of his. So I guess all of it is good, guys. They just tore all of it up.
I'm trying to figure it out. I have come to a conclusion. Hold on.
So you think both of them is good? What you like about that one?
After this sip,
What you like about your dip?
10 years
What you like
later.
about it?
The taste.
The taste is different from the other one. So which one would you rather have on a good day? Which one? The
That one.
chicken? Buffalo? But you like hot stuff anyway, ain't you?
listen.
What you thought about yours? Which one tastes better than this?
Coronavirus.
Brianna's Kool-Aid be busting too down.
The Kool-Aid won, but that ain't what we here for today. The texture in the buffalo, right, is real, it's spicy and it's real tender meat. You know what I mean? The cheese it melts just right. You know what I mean? But what I do wish we had was the different type of chip that like the instead of the Dorito, maybe we shouldn't go with the Dorito with this type of dip, maybe a Tortito or something like that.
Right, like the real chips.
Yeah, like a real just a
The
plain
plain ones.
Tortito. Reason being because it already has salt.
Right.
You don't want to add extra salt. You see what I'm saying? Extra salt is not good for your body. Your body, you know.
Your body.
This, on the other hand, with this, see what I'm saying? That's what it is. That hitting. That hitting on numbers right there. That's doing numbers right there. Hold on.
He just gonna scoot you out the way.
But all in all, everything up here is banging. Everything. Let me take one more of your chip, man. I know it. Ooh.
You know more days. Wait.
After one. I think this go. I can go with the both of them. You did your thing. All I can say is, you did your thing. But Bree, she won. She won with that. Them really doing those.
Well, I'm glad y'all enjoyed it. You look like you done hurt yourself.
Listen, it's finna go down. I'm finna hurt myself even worse. Yep.
Talking about. Get it now? Scale of 1 to 10, the chicken was
9
I got 9.5.
and a half.
9.5.
9.5.
I'll
What about the
give it
rotel? 10 for the rotel? Okay, well that's good. Well, I see you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. And they about to go ahead and hurt themselves some more. See ya. This was Dr. Dolla.
It's a Dollar Game.